Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening GeForce Experience. This is the only supported route for consumer driver updates. Make sure you are signed in because account validation unlocks automatic driver downloads. Once logged in, click the Drivers tab at the top left to begin. You will see a Check for Updates button or the latest driver card already queued. Press Check for Updates to force a fresh query. This avoids stale cached versions and ensures you fetch Nvidia validated release rather than a generic package. After the driver is found, click Download and watch the progress. Don't interrupt the connection. Once downloaded, you'll be prompted for Install options. Pick Express for a standard, tested installation. Express installs the core driver and necessary components without extra overlays, which reduces issues. During installation, close resource-heavy applications and disable overlays to prevent conflicts. If prompted for a restart, accept it. Rebooting finalizes driver file replacement and ensures the new Nvidia kernel. Once the install completes and the system restarts, confirm success by opening GeForce Experience or the Nvidia control panel to check the driver version. If the driver is listed but hardware behaves oddly, run a second restart. Sometimes modules need a fresh boot to attach. If you encounter installation errors, use the custom install path and tick, perform a clean install to remove old remnants. One key troubleshooting tip: boot into safe mode and run the installer if persistent conflicts block normal installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.